Introducing the SnapWallet, a sleek and functional fusion of a wallet and a power bank. Designed with style and convenience in mind, the SnapWallet is made from premium vegan leather, giving it a sophisticated look while ensuring durability for everyday use. The SnapWallet is available in midnight black, tan brown, and stone grey. Today, I'll be taking you through an unboxing and tutorial of the tan brown model. But firstly, let's take a look what's inside the box. Upon unboxing the SnapWallet, you'll find the SnapWallet itself, crafted from premium vegan leather for a stylish and durable finish. Also included is the user manual to help you get started, as well as a USB-C cable for charging the SnapWallet and for other devices. Now let's go over how to power on the SnapWallet. The power button is located on the side of the SnapWallet. To turn it on, simply press the button once, and the LED light below the power button will flash once, indicating the SnapWallet is ready for use. The SnapWallet features a built-in 3000 mAh battery, providing enough power for a quick boost to your phone when you need it the most. This ensures you stay connected without the bulk of a traditional power bank or a wallet. On the front here, you'll find the MagSafe compatible charging area, delivering 7.5 watts of wireless charging speeds. Just snap it to your phone to begin fast charging. If your smartphone isn't MagSafe compatible, you'll need to purchase one of our SnapMag cases. On the left side of the SnapWallet, you'll find a USB-C port. This port offers 10-watt charging speeds, allowing you to charge an additional device using a USB-C cable. This same port is also used to recharge the SnapWallet itself. Simply plug the included USB-C cable into a power adapter and plug the other end into the SnapWallet, and it will start to recharge immediately. Now let's take a look at what makes the SnapWallet more than just a power bank. Located on the back, you'll find built-in card holders designed to hold up to 2 to 3 cards, such as an ID, credit cards, or driver's license. This makes the SnapWallet the perfect everyday carry for those who like to travel light. But that's not all. The back section of the SnapWallet also functions as a built-in kickstand. Simply fold it out to prop your phone up, giving you a hands-free experience for watching videos, browsing, or making calls. Plus, for added convenience, we've integrated a finger loop on the back of the SnapWallet. This gives you a secure and comfortable grip when you're holding your phone, making it easy to use your device on the go. Another standout feature of the SnapWallet is its built-in Apple FindMy technology. If you frequently misplace your wallet, this feature ensures you track it directly from your iPhone. Setting it up is super easy. Simply open the Find My app on your phone and navigate to the Items tab. Then select New Item. You'll then have to choose Other Supported Item to begin searching for your SnapWallet. When your SnapWallet appears, tap Connect. Then finally, follow the on-screen instructions to name your SnapWallet and link it to your Apple ID, completing the pairing process. Once you have paired your device, you'll be able to track your SnapWallet anywhere. You'll always know where your wallet is in just a few taps. And there you have it, a full rundown of the SnapWallet, a stylish and functional wallet power bank hybrid designed for those who want to stay charged and organized. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer care team via our website. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.